Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I have a totally impromptu video for you today. I wasn't gonna film this, but I'm pulling together a really last minute Halloween costume for my little girl. I was in the Dollar Tree and I saw a red cowboy hat and I thought, oh my goodness, Toy Story, Jessie, she loves Toy Story right now. And I'm gonna do just a few little tweaks to the hat to make it look even more like Jessie. Oh, there's my cat. I'm also gonna use a white bodysuit that I already have. I'm sure you have one too. Decorate it a little bit. For just $1 and 10 minutes of time, your kid is gonna look awesome. Let's get started.
To start, I'm just punching some holes around the rim of the hat using a hole punch, really easy. Now I'm tying a piece of yarn onto one of the holes and I'm gonna start lacing that yarn through the holes around the hat. Obviously, my cat Eli was really excited about this project. He was super into the yarn. The only trick with this is that every time you pull it through a hole, you're gonna bring the yarn around the rim of the hat and back to the top. You always wanna be doing it that way because then you're gonna see as much of that yarn as possible. If that sounds a little tricky to you, no sweat, just thread it however you like. The trick here is to get some yarn onto the hat. No stress. And when I get to the end, I'm just gonna tie a knot in the final hole and then I'll trim off my excess. And that's really all there is to it, to the hat portion. $1, really easy. So that's looking good. I'm gonna now use a plain white bodysuit. I'm putting some newspaper in so the marker doesn't go through. Using a permanent yellow marker, I'm gonna draw this shape here. The best way to describe it is it looks like a king's crown turned upside down. You've got the points there. It's basically 3 half circles. And I'm gonna color that in. I'm not gonna go for coloring it in completely without any white showing through. That would take all day. But just shading it in to get the idea. And you know, she's a cartoon character, so it looks a little hand-drawn. I think it's really cute this way. Looks sort of like Andy colored it himself. And now using a red permanent marker, I'm going to draw this looped line across the chest. It looks kind of like a rope being lassoed, if that makes sense to you. Just go with it. You know, this doesn't have to be perfect. Just get a few loops on there, and then I'm going to shade it in to make sure I've got the line as solid as I like. And now I'm just adding a little dot detail at the bottom. I think this adds a little more color, a little more interest, and that's really all there is to it. You could do this however you like, however makes sense for you. Don't overthink it. This is really easy, less than 10 minutes.
And that's it. I'm so happy with this. I know my little girl is gonna love it. Let me know in the comments below what last minute costumes you're coming up with. Hit that thumbs up button if you liked this video. I know Eli liked it. Hit that red subscribe button if you want to see more videos like this. I'm doing DIY videos every single week. I have a ton of Thanksgiving and Christmas videos coming up. You don't want to miss it. We'll see you soon. Bye.